Hi guys, it's Yianni from Yiannimize, and today, Lego.
Nearly 500,000 people tuned in to watch him and his team transforming all sorts of supercars.
Ferrari 488 Spider, Porsche 918, Aston Martin Vulcan, Bugatti Chiron, Lamborghini Sian. Are we ready? Yeah!
Let's go, let's get it going. Let's do this.
We got this! Yeah. Woo! Man like Anthony Joshua. We are wrapping the McLaren P1.
You just did the sideways peace sign.
No, I didn't.
You did do the sideways peace sign.
No. My kids and my life. Oh my God! You've got to start somewhere. Do you think I started as a boss? I think I'm just a car guy that's starting my business. Obama Yankees turned up.
Wow.
I'm about to go around this track in a Pagani. Look at the car. Oh my God. Sergio Aguero. If you're successful in YouTube, you send me your car. Here's a Lambo. Less than 100 away from hitting 1 million subs 75. On YouTube. Yeah! Who can say they've had a birthday cake on a private jet? And here it is, the 1 million subscriber wrapped Lamborghini Aventador S. Hey! Taste the sauce.
Exactly, there we go.
Yeah, but I'm the one who's got to pay for it.
You've got a wrap company.
I guess it's going to have to wrap it in chrome.
Hello everybody.
Oh, yes.
Hello.
There you go. I'm on a boat, living life.
Sorry, one more time.
And we're back. Stop. Obviously, I'm going to fly the plane today. So guys, that is the official 2020 channel trailer for the Yiannimize YouTube channel. Thank you so much for everyone that's come on this journey with us, from myself and the Yiannimize family. So you guys always say we want to see different content with you. So you want to see a day in the life, you want to see vlogs, you want to see personal stuff with me and my family, you want to see a training regime of how I keep in shape. Well, that'll be coming. So I've just launched my own YouTube channel. If you click here, you can subscribe to that channel right now. And if you click here, you can see the first video and find out a lot more of what is going on.